everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great day and staying safe. I have a Hudson Bay haul unboxing. If you're new to my channel, welcome in. Like, subscribe, share, and comment is always appreciated. And if you're returning, thanks so much for your support. Alright, so I have 4 packages, 1 bag, a couple boxes. So it's all one order basically, but I don't know why they do that. But anyways, here's got my blade. Go ahead and undo this one. Alright, I think this one is Ted's birthday present. So let's take a look here. So if you haven't seen our Loon Bay blog yet, please go check that out. I had a couple of subscribers asking about Loon Bay, so I did a little vlog. So I'm not the best at it, but I did what I could. Alright. Oh yeah, this is my husband's birthday present. Alright, from Citizen, and let's take a look and see what that looks like. Comes in a nice box. It says Citizen. Oh, it's magnetic. Wow. It's pretty fancy. Has that. Wow, that's really nice. Yeah, he's gonna love that. Okay, and that's what the watch looks like. Oh. Pull it up a little bit there. Yeah, that's really pretty. Alright, so that's the first one there. Comes in a nice magnetic box too, so that's cool. Alright. Okay, here's box 2. Yeah, so they're having really good sales on beauty items, apparel, and we're VIP, so we get an additional 25% off, so that helps. Alright, so I have my Lancôme Bi-Facil here. Alright, what else? My black Opium. 50 ml. Okay, that's in that box. Alright, we have a couple more here. So yeah, so they're having pretty good sales going on, but they don't have sales on Birkenstocks. Kind of like Louis and Chanel don't usually have sales. That's Birkenstock too. Alright, and this big box here, I got one little thing, and that is the Lancôme black eyeliner. Comes in a package like that. And they put it in this huge box for that one thing. Do you guys ever get packages like that where you have like one makeup item and it's in like a huge box? They could have put this like in a bag or something, you would think, right? Strange. Alright, and it looks like this. It's pretty nice. It lasts for quite a while. And when they have sales, it's a good idea to stock up if things are running short. Because 25%, you know, gives you quite a good savings. And this, you just, you know, it's a blender, basically. And this right here, this eye makeup remover, this Bi-Facil, this really is very easy to use and you don't have to use a lot. And that will last about 2 to 3 years. It lasts for like a long time. Unless you've got so much makeup, you know, maybe it will last shorter time, but normally it's about 2 to 3 years. All right, got the last box. That's probably like a lipstick or something. All right. Okay, we're in. All right, let's see here. All right, so, well, I got 3 things in here. All right, things are looking up. All right, so I have the color design, and this one is in 610 Opal metallic. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, this is pretty nice. Kind of shimmery. And we all love shimmer. Okay, that's the first one. These are nice too. These color designed by Lancôme. They last quite a while and they do blend nice, and they don't get in the crease if you have a lot of wrinkles. That's what I was trying to say. All right, this one is number 214 in Serene Copper, and this is also metallic. Oh, okay, that's pretty. It's good to try new things. Okay, that's the second one. And last but not least is my eyeliner by Kohl. And this is very black. So that should be pretty cool. Kind of see. All right, so that's my Hudson Bay haul for today. Please leave me any comments below. Make sure that you hit the bell to be notified anytime I upload videos. And until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.